Hi friends, here we are removing the blackheads on the ella of the nose and the different regions of the face. Since it becomes difficult to remove it from the ella of the nose and because it is quite soft, when we put the pressure from one side, it shape get deformed because there is you cannot apply the pressure from outside from the blow. So it will be better to put the little finger inside the nose as I have put it, and giving the pressure helps in removing the blackheads by using the extractor. People in India or the worldwide try the different method. Some people use multani mitti, a kind of soil, to apply on the face and hairs. A lot of people here uses this soil. Actually, this clay contains some positive charge as well as it improves the hair's texture, which the positive charge which helps in drawing out the negative ions from the skin. Some people uses the cumin, some potato, etc. to get rid of this stuff. As far as skin or a proper way body care is concerned, drinking plenty of water, fruit juices, eating carrot and orange, etc., and plus 10 minutes of running is good, is not only the good, is excellent for to have a healthy skin, healthy brain and healthy body. But washing the face again and again with the harsh soap and scrubbing it more frequently definitely will irritate the skin and will worsen the condition. We have already told that using the fingernails will cause definitely scarring after, because there are the chances of getting the skin damaged, and when their face becomes infected with acne, get acne people, then they are in the habit of touching those pimples, and this touching them again and again with unwashed fingers will definitely lead to the infection. Infection may be of any sort of bacteria like a staph, which will cause the pus to accumulate in it, causing the pustules, and propionobacterium acne, which is the cause of acne vulgaris in some of the cases, will get infected. So this is how we can remove the blackheads from the face and get rid of to have healthy skin. How many of you people are in the habit of this doing exercise daily for about nearly minimum 10 minutes? If you are not, please do it. So thank you for giving your precious, valuable time. And keep on watching the extraction and more valuable videos. Keep smiling, have a good day, and love your family. This is what I want to say. And don't forget to say thank you to the God for giving you the precious life and such a beautiful family. Nowadays there is one dog in our locality. He is suffering from the hair loss. I tried to give him the fluconazole and let me see what will be the reaction, and I will contact the vet if that doesn't work. Thank you.